Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see the past paper question based on probability for year 10 and year 11 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Probability. We are looking for the past paper question. There are 49 students in a year group. Each student studies at least one of the sciences, biology B, chemistry C and physics P. X students study all three sciences. Y students study chemistry only. 12 students study physics only. 6 students study biology and chemistry but not physics. 11 students study biology and physics but not chemistry. 2 students study physics and chemistry but not biology. 25 students study only one sciences. Show this information on the Venn diagram. This is our diagram. I need to fill all this information into this diagram. This is C is chemistry, B is biology and P is for physics. Let's fill all the numbers here. X students study all the three sciences. So X is here who study all the three sciences. Y students study chemistry only. This is the chemistry. They study only chemistry. Y will come here. Next, 12 students study physics only. So physics is 12 here, only physics. 6 students study biology and chemistry but not physics. Biology and chemistry is here and this is the part where the 6 will come as they study biology and chemistry both but not physics. 11 students study biology and physics. This is biology and this is physics. So this part will be 11. They don't study chemistry. Now we have 2 students study physics and chemistry but not biology. Physics and chemistry, this is the part but they don't study biology. So 2 will come here. 25 students study only one sciences. Only one sciences means they are study only biology, only physics and only chemistry. We have the numbers Y for only chemistry, 12 for only physics. I don't have any number for biology. Let's suppose the number M for biology here. They say that 25 students study only one sciences. This shows you that Y plus M plus 12 is equal to 25. I need to get the answer for Y plus M is equal to 25 minus 12. Y plus M is equal to 25 minus 12 is 13 here. I can express M in terms of Y also. So M is written as 13 minus Y, which I can fill it here. M is equal to 13 minus Y here. They say that find the number of students who study all the three sciences. All the three sciences are the number X that we need to figure it out. They say that all the students who study all the sciences are 49 in numbers. Let's put all the numbers of addition is equal to 49. 6 plus 2 plus 11 plus x plus 12 plus y plus m is equal to 49. I need to solve this for x. I know that y plus m is equal to 13 here. Let's substitute the value here. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 11 is 19 plus x plus 12 plus 13 is equal to 49. 19 plus x plus 13 plus 12 is 25 is equal to 49. X plus 19 plus 25 is 44 which is equals to 49. X is equal to 49 minus of 44. X is equal to 5. So the value for x is equal to 5. The student who study all the sciences are 5 students. Let's see the next part here. The number of students that study biology is 2 times the number of students that study chemistry. Find the number of students who study chemistry only and biology only. Let's apply this relation here. They say that the number of students who study biology. Let's see the biology part here. This is biology. So the biology is 13 minus y plus 6 plus 11 plus 5 because x is 5. Let's write on the values here. 13 minus y plus 6 plus 11 plus 5 is equal to 2 times the Number of students that study chemistry. Let's see the chemistry here. This is the part for chemistry, which is y plus 2 plus 6 plus x, which is x is equal to 5. So y plus 2 plus 6 plus 5. Let's write down here y plus 6 plus 2 plus 5. I need to solve this for y here first. This will be written as 13 plus 6. 13 plus 6 is 19 minus y plus 11 plus 5 is 16 here, which is equals to 2 times of y plus 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. Let's write down here 19 plus 16. 19 plus 16 is 35 minus of y is equal to 2 times of y plus 13 times 2 is 26. If I move this y on this side, this will be 3y is equal to 35 minus of 26. I moved y on this side and 26 on this side. 3y is equal to 35 minus 26 is 9 here. This gives you that y is equal to 9 by 3, which is equals to 3. Y is what? Y is the value the students study chemistry only. What we are looking for? We are finding it out the number of students who study chemistry only. So the number of students is y, which is study chemistry only. The number are 3 students. So the here answer will be 3 students. Let's find out the answer for the biology. We have the relation that y plus m is equal to 13. Let's substitute the value for y here. 3 plus m is equal to 13. M is equal to 13 minus 3. M is equal to 10. What was M? M was the students who were studying only biology here. So my answer for only biology is 10 students. This is your answer. That's how you can solve this part. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.